4, and that is pretty darn good for a build that's using such premium products. Yeah.
Think you really like Jackson? I'm gonna stroke.
I wish the side of my face was droopy.
See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
That's crazy.
Put the GPU back in.
And then just make sure it posts with the portator.
I don't even think we need to have the cooling hooked back up. Jonah, what's the face?
Don't let me walk out without the key.
You got that, Jonah?
Nope.
All right.
Are we going?
Yeah.
There's no way.
Little mushroom head behind the camera. All right. Maybe
just upgrade your PC and
As long as it's not a dig, I mean, it's a valid thing.
And then I said, we'll take it. We just
We'll take a dick, but yeah, cutout's good. This thing needs a little dusting.
Look at that guy.
Wow.
Oh my God! His finger, blood's everywhere. More of it back.
Yeah, hold on. All right. Tell me when.
If I can get this.
But only one of us is going to be participating, and I'll let you guess who.
Me.
I was just gonna wing it. Hey guys. I said Jack and Mac. All right. Hey guys, Jack.
He doesn't even know their names.
Jonah and Zach.
I feel like I'm an imposter. Okay. All right.
That's how you know we've made a lasting impression.
Hey guys.
I was laughing. I'm sorry.
There you go. Stop that, and we can just. Y'all ready to lose?
No. We're winning.
I get 5 carbons.
I don't know. Peripherals a lot. Like that's where we found a $50 Superlight.
That was on Mouse Market.
Oh,
so
wait,
just for reference,
pause. I think your mic's off.
Is it?
I think so.
It's blinking green.
Oh, it's the wrong mic. Oh shit. Damn, that's crazy.
We're Tylenol babies.
Microplastic Tylenol babies.
My balls are filled to the brim.
I just said just to use Space for Marketplace to build PC.
To build PC.
To build PC. All right.
We're just breaking into his house and we're taking his stuff. So we're just gonna go do that.
What's he gonna do about it?
What is he gonna do about it? By the way, we have a PO box.
I'm sad.
I
might have keep tugging on it.
I'm here to reduce parole.
Oh, fuck. All right, so believe it or not, Matt and I, we're lovers. Today we're gonna experiment with boys. God, everybody think we're the horny bros. I guess maybe you're not a butt guy. Maybe you're more of a personality guy. Gag on it.
That's weird. Okay. We had a really good moment on camera, I swear.